If I want to create a drop-down list, so let's say I want to have in this cell here, I want to have a drop-down list which selects one of these fuel quantities. What I can do is, first of all, I will highlight this row here. I'll go to Formulas, Name Manager, and I created a new name. So I'm going to call this Fuel QTY US and go close. So then if I want to have my drop down list, I will go to the data tab, and over here there is a data validation icon. Select that, and what do I want to allow in here? I want to allow a list. What is that list? So this is where you type in the name of the range that you gave it. So it was fuel QTY US. So now it will create a drop-down list and I can select any of these values.